Hello guys, my name is Andreas BK. Today we're going to talk about the Easter egg in Origins, a new zombie map. Okay, so the first thing you are going to do is that you need to build all the 4 staffs and place them down in the secret chamber. When you have done that, you're ready to the next step. Then you have to upgrade the staffs, and if you don't know how to do that, you can check on my channel. I have some videos about it. So yes, and after you have upgraded the staffs and placed them down in the secret chamber, step 1 and step 0 and step 1, there are some new things in the robots' heads. There is 4 new things where you can place the ultimate staffs. You should place the ice staffs in the left side, and the wind staff in the middle robot, and the thunder staffs in the spawn robot to the right side. Okay, when you have done that, you need to get the thunder punch. And if you don't know how to do that, you can check it on my channel. You just have to collect souls to the 4 chests around the map, and yeah, that is how you get that. So after you've done that, you need to take a stone, near generator 2, in the room next to the generator 2. You can see there is some rocks you can pick up. Yes, you pick a rock up with the Thunder Punch sign on, and you go to the church and place it in a water thing near where the box can be in the church. And you place a stone and you kill the zombies with Thunder Punch and you will collect souls like that. So when you've done, there will be no more souls to connect, and that is how you know if you've done it correctly. So you take the stone up and you go to where you found the stone and place it, and you have to kill the zombies again with the Thunder Punch. When you have done that, there will be some monkey bombs you can pick up. You just pick it up and you're ready to go to do the next step. The next step is where you have to go, because when you do the steps with the staff and put it in the robots, I've forgotten to say that the fire staffs need to be put down in the secret chamber. So when you have done then with the staffs, there will be a bottom in the middle of the robots, and that is when you have to go inside it. And it's very easy to do with 2 players, but if you have to do it on yourself, it is possible to do the Easter egg on your own, but it's more easier to do it on 2 players, on 3 or 4, yeah. But one of you have to go in the middle robot and press on the bottom, and the other player need to throw the monkey bomb where you need to, on the place you can destroy, so there will come some big daddies of it. Yes. So when you throw the monkey bombs and you have to press the button before you throw the monkey bombs, you need the Maxis drone, and you need to activate it near the place you had destroyed. And when you activate it, it will fly down and respawn a lot of big daddies. I think it's 8 of them, the zombie robots. And I recommend you have very good weapons to do this, to kill them. So when you have killed them, there will be a zombie flying airplane, and it will glow yellow, and you can only see it in zombie blood. So you need to get a zombie blood and shoot the airplane down. And when you have done that, the zombie will run out on a circle around the map, and you can only see in zombie blood, and you can only kill him, which you have to do with the staffs. So you will find him and you kill him, and take the max drones which have been upgraded. When I don't know how it will be, but people who do the Easter egg says that it is upgraded somehow when you kill the zombies with habit. So when you have killed the zombie in zombie blood, or you can also kill him if you don't have zombie blood, but you can only see him in zombie blood. So yeah, okay. When you have done that, you need to kill some zombies with the Thunder Punch down in the secret chamber, and to get an upgraded Thunder Punch, because when you have killed a lot of them with your Thunder Punch, there will come something out of them with the Thunder Punch on it, a rock that glows blue, and you just have to take it and you will get the upgraded Thunder Punch. And when you have done that, you're ready to do the final last step. It is that you have to take the upgraded staffs and place them in each of their place in a gather, and you will just collect souls. You can shoot the zombies. You don't have to only use the Thunder Punch. So you just have to kill a lot of zombies, and when you have killed a lot of them, they will open a portal in the middle, and you just have to activate the Maxis drone for second time, and it will fly up and meet Samantha, and the game will end after you have go inside and press X to use the teleporter. When you have done that, you're done, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smack the like button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.